Here's another problem related to circles, but it's not really about finding the center and the radius of the circle. This is more about the chord in a circle. So it says, find the length of the chord of a circle whose endpoints are at negative or 9, negative 8, and negative 3, 10. So let's start by defining the chord or a chord. A chord is basically a line segment connecting any 2 points on the circle. So this, for example, is a chord. So this is a line segment. A diameter is a line segment that can connect 2 points on the circle. So the diameter is also a chord. So note that the only difference of the diameter and the other chords is that the diameter passes through the center of the circle. Now, in this problem, we want to find the length of the chord whose endpoints are 9, negative 8, and negative 3, 10. So, given, say, this is your x and y axis, and this is x, so this is y. 9, 8 is somewhere like, so if you say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so this is like negative 9, positive 9, and negative 8 is like 2, 4, 6, 8. So the first point is somehow located here. Negative 3, 10 means if I have 2 and then 4, so this is, by the way, this is by 2, this is negative 2, this is negative 2. So if this is negative 2, so you have like, this is around negative 3, then you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that means your negative 3, 10 is somehow located in this area. Okay? Okay, so a circle contains this chord. So this is the chord, and there are many possible circles that can contain this chord. So an example would be this circle. Okay, so this is not a perfect circle. So you have the circle, but the point is this chord is in the circle. Now, but what we just want to find here is the length of the chord. So the length of the chord is basically the distance between these 2 points. So if this is negative 3 and 10, and this is 9 and negative 8, there is a formula that can find the distance between 2 points, and that is d equals the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the points. So in this case, we have negative 3, 10 and 9, negative 8. So all we have to do is to use this formula. So we have negative 3 minus 9 squared, those are your x. And for the y, we have 10 minus negative 8. So we have negative 3 minus 9 is negative 12. And then you have squared plus 10 minus 8 is, or 10 minus negative 8 is 18. So you have 18 squared. So by the way, this is square. And then we simplify that. So negative 12 is, or negative 12 squared is equal to 144, and 18 squared is around, so this is 64 and 6, 16 times 6, so this is 2, and then carry through, this is 324. So 144 plus 324 is around 468. So the length of the chord is equal to this distance, which is the square root of 468. If you simplify this, the square root of 468 is equal to 6 square root of 13. So this value, 6 square root of 13, is the length of the chord. Okay, so that's the length of the chord. So just to review how we got this number. So keep in mind that if you're given a chord and you want to find the length of the chords and the endpoints are already given, all you have to do is to find the distance between these 2 points, which can be obtained through the formula x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay, so that's it.